Hey everyone, today we are making one of our favorite Southeast Asian dishes, red curry laksa. This aromatic noodle soup is packed with bold flavors and customizable toppings. The broth is the key component of this dish deliciousness and contains a harmonious blend of spicy, sweet and savory flavors. So this is where we start, the red curry laksa broth. Despite its complex flavor, the red curry laksa broth is made with simple ingredients. We will start by sautéing half cup of chopped shallot in a large pot, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Now stir over medium-high heat for a minute to release the aromas. Let's add 100 grams of red curry base to create the flavorful base of our broth. Stir the red curry base for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and continue stirring for another minute. To add a creamy, rich texture and a touch of sweetness, pour 400 ml of coconut milk. Stir until the curry base is well mixed with the coconut milk. Pour 2 liters of low-sodium chicken stock to provide liquid to the broth. Allow the broth to boil. To add a unique flavor profile that combines citrusy and grassy notes, let's bruise 2 stalks of lemongrass with a meat mallet and cut. And just throw them in the pot. Add 6 to 8 pieces of kaffir lime leaves. To release more lime flavor, gently tear the leaves. In the meantime, while the broth is simmering, add 2 bay leaves in another pot of boiling water. And boil 600 grams of boneless chicken thigh. Once the chickens are cooked, transfer them to the curry broth. To add more meatiness to the dish, add 120 grams of fried tofu. Reduce the heat to bring the broth to a simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 30 minutes. And just like that, our red curry laksa broth is done. All we have to do now is put together the toppings. Let's create the perfect laksa bowl by adding the best toppings for a truly satisfying meal. To begin, let's add 800 grams of your favorite noodles. Our favorite choice for this laksa is egg noodles that have been blanched. Next, add that lovely red curry broth. Add the fried tofu. To make this laksa even heartier, add boiled baby potatoes. Cut them in half and boil until tender. Then, add sliced chicken. For a little crunch and a little nutty flavor, add some blanched bean sprouts. To make it extra special, let's add a soft-boiled eggs. And garnish with chopped green onion, cilantro for color, and finally, fried shallots. And there you go, a perfect comfort food for chilly fall days. This laksa will fill your belly and warm your soul. Make this laksa truly yours by adding your favorite toppings. And remember, a delicious broth is the base, so the toppings are up to you. With that, thank you so much for joining, and please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.